Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today we're in Paphos for the next 5 days, actually, nice and sunny Paphos, and we're at Cali Resort and Spa. And this lunchtime we are going to the day snack a la carte. There we are. We're going to have a look around. We're going to grab a seat. They do burgers and stuff. I'll show you the menu. Look, here we are. Oh look, that's an egg burger, I think. Oh, that looks delicious. That's a wrap. There. It's another wrap. I'm not sure what to have. Oh, look, delish. It's all cooked fresh. There we are. They're doing sandwiches as well over there. Chips. Oh, there's pasta as well. Oh. Wow. What we can have? Let's have a look at the menu and then we can decide, can't we? I think I'm going to go for a wrap. I mean, the burger looks amazing. I think it's a smash burger. Right, let's have a look at the menu. Oh, he's doing a sandwich at the moment. Let's have a look at that. Look. Toasted sandwich with salad and... oh, wow. That looks pretty amazing as well. Oh. So let's have a look at the menu. We've got Greek salad. If you're not all inclusive, that's the prices there on the right hand side. They're €12.50. Traditional chicken Caesar salad, $14.50. They've got sandwiches and wraps. That's what we saw up there, didn't we, guys? They look really delicious. Classic club sandwich. It's got bacon, tomato, fried egg. Oh, I might have that. Chicken mayonnaise. Comes with fries. Tuna wrap, €15. Cyprus wrap. Grilled halloumi, cucumber, fig, chutney. Chicken wrap. Falafel balls, €14. Burgers, we saw one of those, didn't we? They look delicious as well. They're around $14.50 going up to $17.50 for your Angus beef burger. And then you can have pastas. We saw some pasta as well, didn't we, guys? They're around €14. What do you got on top of that burger?
It's got the name, let me tell you.
Thank you, ketchup and mayo. Yeah. There we go. And have a look inside, please. Oh, look at that. Wow. And I've got a club sandwich. I'm going to show you guys, look. Look at this, unbelievable, look. Look at the size of that, wow. Toasted club sandwich. We've got chicken, egg, salad, lunza, and lots of fries. Wow. Cyprus potato chips, and they've got the skins left on, and we're going to try them. Oh, I can't get that one in my mouth, it's so big. I'll get that one. Oh yeah. Ooh, delish. Oh, well done, you're holding the burger with your hand.
It's a delish burger.
Is it? Looks amazingly delish. My club sandwich is amazing as well.
Simon would like that.
Simon would love my club sandwich.
He likes the club sandwich.
Oh, okay. So let me show you the desserts. If you fancy some fruit, there it is. Yogurt, I think. I'm not sure what that is.
Chia seeds.
Okay. And cake. Oh, cake.
You know what that is?
Chocolate, and I think that's banana. Delish. So let's walk back to our sunbed and I'll show you the pool. And don't forget to look at other videos of this place, guys. The Cali Resort and Spa. That's the spa down there. I've been down there. I might go down there later. We've got the showers. It's an amazing pool with floating sunbeds. They're conveniently floating. They're not really, but they are in the water. Look. So we've got this platform, this wet platform here, and then the sunbeds sit on the platform, you see. And you can sit all the way round the pool. Actually, I should go the other way. Come round this way. And I want to show you the other area as well. So there we are, there's the floating sunbeds, squashy cushions. I'll show you one when I get to an empty one. That's the snack bar or restaurant we've just had. Our delish food. Yeah, you can see the pool now. Oh, more showers at far end. Then there's this other area here. There, see? There it is with 4-poster double sunbeds. More umbrellas and sunbeds everywhere. Gardens. I'm going to move on round here. There, can you see those tiles as well in the pool? They're lovely. Sort of bluey tile. Really, really pretty. There's gardens in between sunbeds as well. More 4-poster double sunbeds at the far end. Then there's more straight ahead, and we are posted just on the left of the pool. You can pick what you like. There's plenty of sunbeds. Steps to get in the pool. Recycling going on here. Yeah, and we're located along here, you see. And we have got squatchy sunbeds. I'll show you if the sunbeds are squatchy. Here we are, there's one a vacant. There we are. You see? Super squatchy and super wide. Oh, did you order those drinks? Oh, there you go. There is waiter service on your sunbed, by the way, guys. They come round regularly, as you can see, and offer you drinks all day. What amazing lunch. Beautiful pool bar. Don't you think that was wonderful, guys? Triple delish. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.